In this video, I'm going to be importing a fixture from GibbsCam into ToolManageriQ, which is similar to the tools and the holders, but not entirely the same. I'll start by going to the Fixture subsection, which is used for any fixture that uses a single model or any item that's part of an assembly. If you're just importing a single fixture item, all you have to do is select it in GibbsCam and press the Import from GibbsCam button. The same dialog as you would get if you were adding manually will come up, but everything's populated. I have a picture that's generated, and I can click on it to change it. I have a name that's generated that I can change to whatever I need. It's created the solid model for that fixture, and it will put it in the appropriate directory. And there is an offset, and the offset is used to move the model from its position in GibbsCam. So when you import a fixture, it lives in that space in GibbsCam, but if you'd like to export it in a different position, you can add an offset before exporting it from ToolManageriQ into GibbsCam again. I can give it some notes, press OK, and that fixture will now be added to the list. In the case of a fixture assembly, I would need to add all of the items to this list first. So I'm going to do that just by repeating what I did. Now you cannot add more than one at once, so I'm going to click on each one and add them independently. Now, when I go to my fixture assembly subsection, I'm going to go ahead and add manually because there is no way currently to import from GibbsCam. It'll prompt me for a name. I can press OK, and it appears in the list. Now if I double click that name, I can choose an image for it. I can change the name if I'd like. I can add the models that I've added into the fixture assembly subsection, or the fixture subsection, into this fixture assembly. By pressing the ellipsis button, I get the list of fixture items that I have, and I can go ahead and select each one. Now you can also add individual offsets for these, or a total offset here for the entire fixture assembly. I'll add my last jaws here. Now I have all of the items of my assembly in the list. If I want to remove an item, I can do a delete, or if I want to edit, which usually would be an offset, I can go in, edit it, and press OK again. I can give it some notes, a total offset, press OK, and that is now a fixture assembly added to my database.